5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
This is About Space, America's return to space, with news and information on our U.S. space program. Is your host of About Space, David Denault.
Welcome, and thanks for joining me today. Well, here's an interesting story that we're just learning about in the news. For the first time, researchers confirmed that an interstellar object hit the Earth on January 8th in 2014. And that's according to a United States Space Command document released on April the 6th. I'll have details of our interstellar visitor next, as America and the world is listening to About Space today. Ever dream of an island getaway at an all-inclusive resort? Or going on an island-hopping cruise to multiple island destinations? See sun-bleached beaches and swim in the azure waters of the Caribbean Sea. Call today for your special discount prices to your island getaway. This is a special offer for About Space by calling 877-747-8631. And let's go and explore the islands of the Caribbean. Welcome back. Researchers say the origins of this interstellar visitor may come from the deep interior in the thick disk of the Milky Way galaxy. Here's more from the Cosmos News.
A fireball that blazed through the skies over Papua New Guinea in 2014 was actually a fast-moving object from another star system, according to a recent memo released by the U.S. Space Command, USSC. The object, a small meteorite measuring just 1.5 feet, 45 centimeters across, slammed into Earth's atmosphere on January 8, 2014, after traveling through space at more than 130,000 miles per hour, a speed that far exceeds the average velocity of meteors that orbit within the solar system, according to a 2019 study of the object published in the preprint database ArXiv. That 2019 study argued that the wee meteor's speed, along with the trajectory of its orbit, proved with 99% certainty that the object had originated far beyond our solar system, possibly from the deep interior of a planetary system or a star in the thick disk of the Milky Way galaxy. In a memo dated March 1st and shared on Twitter on April 6th, Lieutenant General John E. Shaw, Deputy Commander of the USSC, wrote that the 2019 analysis of the fireball was sufficiently accurate to confirm an interstellar trajectory. This confirmation retroactively makes the 2014 meteor the first interstellar object ever detected in our solar system. The object's detection predates the discovery of Oumuamua, a now infamous, cigar-shaped object that is also moving far too fast to have originated in our solar system by 3 years, according to the USSC memo. Unlike the 2014 meteor, Oumuamua was detected far from Earth and is already speeding out of the solar system, according to NASA. Because the meteorite ignited over the South Pacific Ocean, it's possible that shards of the object landed in the water and have since nestled on the seafloor.
Harvard astrophysicist Dr. Avi Loeb says this predates any such objects in our solar system.
Now we know there was an interstellar object discovered before Oumuamua. Okay, that's point number one. The second point that it is significant is because this is a meteor. What that means is it collided with the Earth. So, of course, it burned in the atmosphere, and there was a fireball, and that's how it was detected, from the fireball, from the heat. So there are two possibilities. Either this interstellar object is natural, like people suggested about Oumuamua. If any piece of it landed in the ocean, we can put our hands on it, which we cannot do with respect to Oumuamua.
And presumably our interstellar visitor was kicked out of a star's planetary system and just happened to make its way to our solar system and collide with Earth. And About Space will continue to follow this story and see if recovery of a fragment can be found. And as a reminder, join Dawn Meyer this Friday for another America in Space program, and have your family and friends join us each week. Follow us on Facebook at aboutspace.today for launches and landings. And to all our listeners around the globe and here in the U.S., thank you for joining me today. I'm David Denault, and this has been About Space Today.